Hello everyone. Today we'll be learning chapter 3, what we take from animals. In this chapter we'll be learning about food and non-food animal products. Before we get into the chapter, let's warm up. We like to use so many things that come from nature. We like to use woolen clothes, silk dresses, milkshakes, leather bags, the list goes on. Do you know from where we get all these things? Can you name some more things that we like to use that come from living things? Let's discuss further in the chapter. We use some animal products in our daily life. Some are obvious items like eggs, milk products, etc. Others are not so obvious like sponges or ivory. Products that we get from animals are divided into two groups. They are food products and non-food products. Food products. We get a variety of food products from animals. One may think that we get all the nutrients from plants, but that is not true. We get vitamin B12, which is essential for the functioning of the brain and the nervous system. This vitamin B12 is naturally formed in animals. You know what the best source of vitamin B12 is? It is milk and eggs. So even vegetarians need to consume milk and milk products to have a proper balanced meal. Let us look at the food products that we get from animals and the animals which we source it from. Dairy, cow, goat, buffalo, sheep, camel. Milk, curd, cheese, ghee, butter, gelato, ice cream, whey, etc. are called dairy products. Milk is consumed in all parts of the world. Meat, goat, sheep, pig, fish, seafood.
Meat is the flesh of an animal. As most of the world population is non-vegetarian, meat from various sources is consumed. In coastal areas, seafood containing fish, crabs, lobsters, etc. are more commonly consumed. In other areas, it is meat from the animals. Japanese even consume whale and dolphin meat as food. Eggs. Hen, quail, duck, goose, fish, etc.
People eat eggs in all parts of the world. Pheasants, gull, and emu eggs are also eaten. Ostrich eggs are a super luxury food and people eat them rarely. Honey, honeybees. Honey is a natural sweetener and we can eat it raw. Honey also has medicinal properties and is also used for remedies for things such as cough, burns, etc. Honey can be found in wild honeycombs and also in bee farms. Gelatin, derived from the meat of the animals. Gelatin is a gelling agent and we use it to make jellies, marshmallows, etc. It is used to thicken and give shape to food items. Shellac, lac bug. It is a resin secreted by the lac bug. It is found in the forests of India and Thailand. It is used to give color and glaze to some food items. Carmine, cochineal insects. It is red food coloring. It is a pigment produced from cochineal insects. Lard, pig. Pigs produce a lot of fat which covers their body. People separate it from the meat and use it for cooking, baking like butter. Here is a tidbit for you. Almost 70% of the meat which is eaten globally is goat meat. Non-food animal products. We use products that come from animals. Wool, leather, etc. are the usual ones that come to our mind. But there are many other products that we use that we get from animals. Some of them are wool, sheep, goat, rabbits, musk oxen, and camel. Wool is a fiber that we use to make clothes and keep ourselves warm. We get wool mainly from sheep. Other wool types are cashmere and mohair from goats and angora wool from rabbits. Leather, rawhide. Leather is a flexible material made from rawhide. People make shoes, belts, bags, etc. Leather is mainly obtained from cattle. Leather is also made from the skin of horses, pigs, snakes, crocodiles, kangaroos, etc. Silk, silkworm. Do you remember the life cycle of a butterfly? A silkworm also goes through similar changes and the caterpillar turns into a silk moth. The cocoon of a silkworm is used to make silk. We obtain the silk fiber from this cocoon. Mulberry silkworms make the best silk fiber. Feathers, birds. There are many uses for feathers. The down feathers of birds are used to fill pillows and cushions. Feathers of large birds like geese were used to make quill pens. Colorful feathers of a peacock and parakeet are used for decoration. Beeswax, honeybees. Along with honey, bees also produce a natural wax called beeswax. They use this wax to build their hive. We use beeswax to produce cosmetics and also to make candles. Casein, milk. It is a byproduct of milk and is used in plastics, clothing, cosmetics, adhesives, and paint. Lanolin, sheep, goat, rabbits, musk oxen, camel. All woolly animals also secrete a wax-like substance. We call it lanolin. We use it in making cosmetics and boot polish. Fur, furry animal. Fur is clothing made up of furry animal hides. Hides of fox, rabbit, mink, muskrat, beaver, sable, stoat or otter, etc. give us fur. Coral rock, coral. Corals secrete calcium carbonate. It forms a hard skeleton-like structure. Corals are used in making jewelry and medicine. In the East African coast, coral stones are used in construction.
Horn, rhinoceros, impala, antelope, sheep, buffalo. Horns were used to make musical instruments. Horn of an antelope is used in Chinese medicine. They were also used to make buttons, handles of knives, combs, etc. The rhinoceros horn is used in medicine in Vietnam.
Ivory, elephant, walrus, hippopotamus, sperm whale, killer whale. Ivory. The hard white material from the tusks of elephants is called ivory. Elephants are the sources of ivory. It is used in decorative items like jewelry, piano keys, pipes, etc. The use of ivory is banned or restricted in many parts of the world. Sponges, sea sponge. Sponges are the skeletons of sea sponges. We use them to make sponges and also to make medicine. Tallow, animal fat. Animal fat is called as tallow. We use them as lubricant in machines. It is also used to make candles and medicines. Venom, poisonous snakes. Venom is used to make the anti-venom. If a poisonous animal ever bites a person, it is very dangerous. The use of anti-venom can save such a person. Manure, all animals. Manure is mainly made of animals' excrete. Manure increases the fertility of the soil. Did you know? There is a Chinese dish called bird's nest soup. Swifts make their nest not from twigs but from their own saliva. Once the birds leave their nests are harvested to make this dish. Let us think. Why are the use of some animal products banned? Endangered animals are those animals which are very few in number. We must see to it and protect them to see that they do not face extinction. Therefore, we must not use any products from these animals. As elephants are endangered animals, the use of ivory was banned by government so that no one kills elephants to get ivory. Similarly, the use of rhinoceros horns or tiger skins and bones is banned. This will protect the wild animals from extinction. Let's explore. Use an encyclopedia and find out about the venomous animals found in India. Services from animals. Along with using the various products that we use, we also use animals for the services that they provide. We have domesticated some of the animals to reduce our labor. Dogs. We use dogs in different ways. They are shepherd dogs, guard dogs, police dogs, service dogs who help the blind and deaf people. They are also our favorite pet, aren't they? Cats. Cats are pets and used to reduce the number of mice. Horses and ponies. They are used to pull carriages, wagons, carts, etc. Bullock. The bullock is called the beast of burden. They are used to plough the fields, pull carts, etc. Donkey. They are used to carry loads. They are used by washermen. Nomads also use donkeys to carry their things. Camel. The camel is called the ship of the desert. It is used to travel from place to place in the desert area. Elephants. Elephants are used in forest areas. They help to carry or pull logs of wood. They are also used to carry people. In some temples, elephants have important part in the rituals. Here's a science top-up for you. While dogs and cats are our favorite pets, there are other animals like iguana, guinea pigs, rabbits, rats, parakeets, llama, emu, which people like to have as pets. Here's the glossary of the chapter. Resin, a sticky, inflammable, water-insoluble substance that we get from some trees. Lubricant, oil or grease that we use to minimize friction and allow for smooth movement. Venom, the poison that we get from snakes. Here is the mind map of the chapter. Animal products are of two types, food products and non-food products. Food products are the products that we eat and also use in food preparation. Non-food products are the products that we do not eat but we use them for other purposes.